inside curve of each of these guys, and I'm going to do 1 1/4, so 1 minus 1 divide 4, and I'm going to do the same thing again for the bottom, tangent to this guy, tangent to this guy on the inside, 1 and 1/4, and trim both of them. So it matters again for the outside of these guys, and I'll show you this as an example. If I click in here, right? So here's one and here's one. So I don't click far enough around. That's kind of exaggerated. But it tells me that the radius is 4. So if I click on the inside, that's not what I want. So if I click on the inside of these guys, I can still enter this as 4, but see what happens? It's now curving, instead of that convex shape, it's concaving, like going in, and it's made the circle the wrong way. It's going up instead of down. Okay. So again, if you don't click far enough around out here on the circle, it's going to try and fit this thing, and the only way that it can is by flipping it over. So you want to really make sure that you click far enough around on these guys to make sure that it's going the correct direction. So now if I go 4, you can see that it pops it in the proper orientation. Stop dying.
Hi.
So I'm going to trim this guy out. Listen, man.
Okay.
There's no dying in here. And I got to clean that up, fill out reports. So again, I'm going to click this tangent radius. I got to click pretty far around on this guy and this guy, and then I'm going to hit that and trim it out. So this one, again, it's not horrible to do if you kind of know the trick on it. Which leads us to the dimensioning, and I'm not going to do all of these because once you see it, you're going to be like, oh, that's really easy.